In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inversion fair value gaps in TradingView Pro. We'll keep this really straightforward, so you can follow along even if you're fairly new to TradingView or to using indicators in general. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can get this on your charts without any confusion. First, open up your TradingView Pro chart and make sure you're on the chart layout you actually want to use for your trading. Once your chart is open and loaded, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the top toolbar, labelled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can search for and add any community or built-in indicator to your chart. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there. This is important, because TradingView has a lot of indicators, and using the search bar is by far the fastest way to find exactly what you need. Now, in that search box, type Inversion Fair Value Gaps. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results below. You should see one or more indicators that match or are closely related to that name. Take a moment to hover over each result and read the short description, or look at the author, so you can be sure you're selecting the one you actually want to use. When you've identified the correct inversion fair value gaps indicator, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. You'll notice that new markings or shaded regions now appear directly on your price chart. These represent the inversion fair value gaps as defined by that script. If you want to customize how they look, like changing colors or line styles, hover over the indicator's name in the chart's legend, click the settings icon, and adjust the inputs and style to fit your personal preferences and your chart's color theme. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you'd like to unlock more features, more indicators on a single chart, and an overall smoother experience, feel free to use the affiliate link in the description. It's a simple way to get set up with Pro while supporting this kind of content at the same time. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click Indicators, use the search box, look up inversion fair value gaps, add it to your chart, and tweak the settings as you like.